What's good, YouTube? I am back with another dread video. I am lazy because I just woke up and I want to show you guys how you can make your dreads look longer or be longer, whichever one sounds the right way to say. Yeah, this method is called finger raking. It is best when you have no nails, because when you have nails it starts to like grip up your naps and it'll hurt like I don't know what. But this is why I got my hair in at this moment, because I had this in since yesterday. Went to work with it, I slept with it just for the purpose of this video. So just take this off. Look at that, that's crazy, that's crazy. I took some pictures before I made this video, so I'm gonna put that in there. Shake it all out. This is how you wake your dreads up. You gotta rub your scalp or scratch your scalp, but you gotta get all around your head. So excuse me for a couple seconds. It's also best to use some type of moisturizer. For me, for years, I've been using Proline. Proline is that stuff, man. My dad be, like I said, my dad be using it for years, so I'm gonna stick with it. Proline is the best moisturizer in my opinion for moisturizing your scalp and all that. So get that all up in there. If you have other moisturizers you can use, then go ahead, by all means, just use that. Alright, now what you want to do after you get all that, you want to shake your hair a lot. I would say roughly like 2 minutes. For me, it's not going to be 2 minutes because it's video purposes, but I'm just going to show y'all like, what you're supposed to do. This is what I do. Waking up. This is part of the waking up process. Gotta get your roots stimulated. And now comes the finger raking process. It's gonna hurt if you have nails, but follow me. See how they are right now? Now I'm about to just finger rake. You wanna do this until you feel like there's no more naps. I'm getting a couple right now. I'm gonna stay consistent with this. Yes, you will have baby hairs everywhere. I did it yesterday and I hated sweeping it up. But that's what you gotta do. And if you don't believe me that this is how you make your dreads appear longer or be longer to the maximum length, look where they're right now. It wasn't like this a couple seconds ago. Me, I've been telling you guys I have this problem where my left side is much more down than my right side. My right side wants to stay up for some reason. Like if you screenshot this picture, you'll see that this one is like that. And like I said, it's gonna hurt when you have fingernails. Not bad, it's just like annoying. You want to cut them. I do have some Congos. I love my Congos. I've been told not to get them, but if you got them, price them. Like I said, if you don't believe, or you might want to pull a little bit. If you don't believe me, my hair was not like this a couple seconds ago, minutes ago. So I'm not BSing y'all. I would never do that. People that clickbait. Me, I feel like I would never clickbait. So also thank you guys for 231 subscribers. It took me forever to hit 100. It took me like a matter of 2 weeks to hit 231. So thank you guys. We can't see that. Thank you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video. And I hope you guys like it. Shoot. Oh, do that too. I want to get everywhere. But I don't have time for that. I do have time, just don't want to waste my battery. So with that being said, I'm gonna take some pictures while basically playing an outro or whatever. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. Yes, I did right. Thank y'all for watching. Join the 2K Nation.